Well, here we are on a 48-hour session. Done our first night. You can see it's raining at the moment, quite heavily, and it has been for the last 12 hours, and it's forecast to continue until the early hours of Friday morning. Currently Thursday afternoon. As I say, we've just done one more night to do. Started off yesterday morning quite well. I had 2 fish early on. Then had another one about 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Lance picked up a fish during the day yesterday, but had no more. But then he did have 3 fish during the night. Jim didn't have anything yesterday or through the night, but did pick up a fish early this morning, so that's good for him. The weather really is bad at the moment. We have seen 1 or 2 fish showing, but nothing seems interesting feeding at the moment. Probably can't pick it up on here, but we have actually just started to hear some thunder as well. So we're having all sorts. So we've got one more night to do. We're packing up sort of Friday lunchtime. So hopefully there might be a little bit more to share with you, and possibly a few photographs later on. Well, the rain's finally finished, or stopped for a bit, although it is forecast to come back again later on. Now the wind's starting to pick up a bit. I've had 2 fish since I last spoke to you. Coming right there, right in the centre of picture, 10 raps off the bank, just into the mouth of the bay. 2 fish actually within about 15 minutes of each other. One was a 14.5 common, and the other one was a 20 pound 8 ounce common, so yeah, well chuffed with that. Just in the midst of doing myself a bacon sandwich in a minute, but yeah, we'll put some pictures up later on to show you. Let's give you a quick look at the lake. Here is the top end where the inlet is, by the sluice there, and if you pan round there, right down to an island in the middle, it goes right the way down to the hotel at the bottom. So we'll report back with anything else that happens. See you in a bit.